leave me any good spots, did they? Really? Something right there is not clear. It's kind of like that trap at worst, the one I was just telling you about.
Yeah, that one looks bad enough.
Yeah.
The only reason I can see trying to use these if you really just don't have any space.
Yeah. It's about the only good reason. That was good. I'm gonna be able to get it. You should have saw the one I cleaned the other day. I pulled a whole huge pile of dog hair off of it. I even brought the lady down there and said, look at this. It's not good. Because they were like, well, they called and said they had somebody, I guess another company there, and they had charged it up and it was already freezing up. Or it was freezing up still. And they thought it still needed more refrigerant. I don't need any refrigerant, it just needed cleaned.
Yeah, I don't figure that guy looked inside at all.
No. I didn't want to. It was kind of a nasty house, but I didn't want to have to go back either. It worked a little bit better than I thought it was going to. Rough on the neck. Need somewhere to drain. And I'm gonna have to clean the inside of the return. Wow, I can see the actual collar of the coil. Oh, I went right into it. It must have been right when my glasses were. I didn't see it. Good times, good times. Being short would come in handy.
Do some morning stretches.
I might have to. I've been getting up early enough.
Could be one of those companies that we can come in and we do our like 20 minutes of stretching before we get to work.
I've been getting up at like 5:45 every morning.
I typically get up like 7:20. I like to squeeze in every last minute of sleep I can.
Yeah. I wish I could. I've been getting up and because she's got to take both the kids to school now since they're going to the same school.
Yeah.
So I've been getting up and making them breakfast while she does everything else to get them going. I could spend all day cleaning this and it's never going to be perfect. There's just too much crap on it. Well, it does look way better than I did. It looks very low foaming.
It might be more foaming than
Yeah.
that stuff.
Oops.
I'd hate to see what their high foam is.
Yeah. one more time. Gonna throw some log in there. That's as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this cleaner on it and leave it.
I'm gonna put that grill back on.
Yeah, it should be fine now. was in the drain pan.
Mm.
Yeah. Make sure it can drain good. Kind of junk in there. I think I got the biggest parts out.
This one has square bits in it.
Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. Here's the bit that I took out at the end of it.
I think Ben got this one too. I want it.
It's a pretty nice little thing. I'm pretty sure they had that at Lowe's. I might know where I got. No, I think I ordered that one offline, or maybe I got it from Home Depot.
I'll sort it next time there. I don't have any stubbies. This is
The only difference in that and the regular stubby is it is. I think it's about as good as it's gonna get. I didn't realize until I started flushing it out how much that junk was floating around in there. Can't do anything with it without taking a bunch of screws out. 2002 train, variable speed. Now 79 in the house. I had it set for 77, so I must not use it a whole lot. Uh-oh. We don't have a fan.
That's not good.
Well, that is why my temperature wouldn't drop. It's not running. Whew. Look at that.
Oh,
You got the pop.
about to bust.
That is a 45.5. I should have one in a Mars grab it because it should fit right back in there. Yeah, seen better days. Hope you don't decide to pop on me. Like that it does that. Yeah, that was ready to go any minute. That's the most I've seen one this year. Hopefully the compressor isn't overheated. Let's not need it real quick. Put you right there. Now and take a temperature. But there's a big difference. Should let me good now. Clean coil, new filter, new capacitor. Ready to go. Can you take your marker and write the date on that?
30th.
Yep.